Valérie,
Yeah.
je parle anglais?
Yes, you
Wow.
Yes. Hello, everybody. So my name is Valérie Rocky. I'm a research engineer at Grenoble INP and in charge of Industry of the Future issues at JSCOP Laboratory. So today I'm going to present the main results of the industry survey that are carried on work package number 2. And I would like also to put in the table to ask some questions to go beyond this result, because it's a step, a lot of steps. Yeah. So my presentation will be in 4 parts. So first, for those who don't know, I would like to say some more about my university, Grenoble INP Institute of Engineering, and about my French industrial partner, Biomeca. Secondly, I would like to underline some key points about European manufacturing to open the discussion. And next, I will present the main critical success factor to succeed in, that is the industry survey carried on in the work package number 2. And finally, I would like to present, to show some key results, the interest of these results, and to go beyond this result, to open the discussion, and maybe to set up new projects after Bifocap. So in some words, I would like to say Grenoble INP and Biomeca, that is a French competitiveness cluster, both allocated in Auvergne-Rhône-Alpes region. That is the first industrial region in terms of employment in France. Grenoble INP is a group of 6 engineering schools and gather 39 laboratories in 5 fields of excellence, so energy, digital world, micro and nanotechnologies, environment, and industry. JSCOP Laboratory is dedicated to the industrial organization issues over the life cycle of a product, from design, production, distribution, uses, and of course, end of life of products. Biomeca is dedicated to mechanical engineering, so Arnaud Boquillon is in volume, about design, production, and integration of intelligent mechanical systems. It's about more than 500 companies and 342 laboratories involved in 250 R&D collaborative projects. The topics are about advanced manufacturing process for product, integrated robotics, productive system performance, and so on. It proposes services in ecosystem building, scouting, brokerage, networking, and so on. I'm going to go on to the next slide. So, before presenting the main results of the industry survey, I would like to underline some key points for me. And I hope for all people in this room, about European manufacturing. So manufacturing represents 1 out of 5 jobs in Europe. That is 32 million workers, so it's very important. And each of these jobs creates between 0.5 and 2 jobs in services. So it's a crucial economic crucial engine for European economic growth. And since 2013, manufacturing creates new jobs, 1.5 million net new jobs. So it's a very, very important sector for European economic growth in Europe. So, another key important point about the situation of European manufacturing company is about this new industrial paradigm. Elena spoke about just before, which is called fourth industrial revolution, industry 4.0, factories of the future paradigm. What is important to know is that industry 4.0 is mainly a set of breakthroughs with new digital technologies, new business model, new product and services, new relationships with supplier and customers, new environmental practices, and new competencies and jobs. And all this breakthrough is a great source of new economic, social, and environmental performance. So it's very, very important for companies and to develop their activities. But this breakthrough also increase the complexity in the production system. So this new industrial paradigm is a very big opportunity for manufacturing companies, but it's also a big challenge and some risks to develop and to implement them in companies. In order to help companies benefit from this new performance, a lot of many countries have launched funding programs. And recent reports have benchmarked 8 national funding programs. And it's very interesting to notice that most of these programs are mainly focused on technological issues and are about top-down approach. And despite this huge amount of money, the transition is slower than expected. And in 2016, around 41% European industrial companies do not have adopted digital technologies yet. So it's a problem. We have a lot of funding programs, but we don't have the results with. And the recommendation from its authors is to develop industry-driven approaches by involving more stakeholders and to set up clear objectives and measurable milestones. So I think it's the objective of Bifocal's project. It's very interesting.
I have one question if I read properly. The simple picture is showing how Industry 4.0 is incentivating, correct?
Yeah.
And for Italy, you say 45 million.
Maybe. I don't check the number. It's in the report from European Commission that is Kielson from National Industry 4.0.
Yes, because calendar program that probably you heard about is close to 10 billions. Something is in the balance sheet of Italy, so I don't know where this number are from. But in Italy, with the hyper depreciation of new technologies, we had a very important boost and renovation of manufacturing facilities, probably you heard, booming last year due to financial public incentives.
I guess that's a pretty old report because the launch date in Italy is 2012. So I think that increase in the last year is pretty significant.
Possible.
Yes, and maybe it's only the funding for the working group to animate the working groups, but you also have third parties and you can fund projects directly to SMEs. And maybe in this budget there is no other part dedicated to direct SMEs funding, only to animate the national program. So it's difficult to compare.
You're right.
I think what is important.
2012 it was unknown in Italy. You're right. Okay, we recovered. We were very, very late, and we recovered sharply. We had. Thank you. Sorry for interrupting.
Yeah, no, it's not important. I think it's important to notice the key points and the recommendation from this evaluation. So it's not the number is not the most important. So So the question is how to accelerate the digital transition for European companies despite this funding program. And so we have tried to understand in the work package number 2 what the main critical success factors are to succeed in the implementation of digital transition. And the interest of this industry survey is a bottom-up approach and not a top-down approach. So we have interviewed organizations that have already implemented digital transition practices within their company. So it's very different to ask people what they are doing, what they think about, but it was the main objective of the industry survey. So we have interviewed 96 organizations, that is 67 industrial companies and 29 academic and policy makers. And it's very interesting to notice that all these organizations share a common vision of Industry 4.0 in 5 alpine spaces. We are a space very common, yes, around this point. So we have the report in detail in the website of the IFOCAP, so design this information. So what are the main critical success factors to succeed in factories of the future transition? So this organization told us there are 5 critical success factors. So the first is about strategy, because it's very important for companies to define Industry 4.0 strategy and to share it with their employees. The second is about technology. Of course, technology is the core of Industry 4.0. So it's necessary for industrial companies to implement them. But what is important is the right technology for the right uses. It's very important for this organization. The third critical success factor is about innovation and capacity for innovation. Innovation is at the core of Industry 4.0, of course, and the industrial company need to implement, to develop their innovative practices within their company. And the fourth is about ecosystem for innovation. It's very important for European companies to share best practices, to exchange with other companies, and to be involved in industrial network and to be linked with research center and university. And the last, but not the least, is about skills and change management, of course. Industry 4.0 requires new competencies, new skill within the company, and this company have to put in place a plan to upgrade this competency and to hire new profiles to face the different implementation. Every critical success factor has been ranked on a scale from 0 to 4 to show the progression, the different stage between an initial state, that is 0 level, to 4 level, that is the Industry 4.0 implementation, full implementation. So I put it in the slide 2 examples from technology and skill and change management, so we could see the progression for each of these critical success factors. From this critical success factor, we have designed 24 guidelines to help industry company to reach this new performance. I put in this slide 2 examples among 24. The first is about the necessity for industrial company to be many companies are afraid of investing of new technology because they are expensive and are quickly evolve, and so it's necessary for companies to be linked with a techno provider and to be sure that it's the right technology. It's the first example from technology. And the second from technology is the question of upgrade IT infrastructure to support 4.0 technology and also especially guarantee the safety of the data. Because a lot of companies are afraid to share their data on the IT network. And so it's a crucial point for European companies.
In example, going to cloud.
Yes,
They are afraid to go to cloud.
maybe. Yes.
Just because they don't understand that the cloud is more safer than keep the data in-house.
Yes, in 2 years it's possible that mindsets are evolved. But 2
You
years
want
ago,
to share my eye.
what?
This is a problem.
Yes, it's a problem for European companies. As I said previously, it's a big opportunity, it's a big challenge with some risks for European companies.
Okay.
To conclude this industrial survey and to go beyond the current vision of Industry 4.0, I would like to outline some key important points. The first is about digital technology. So it's the core of Industry 4.0. We agree with that, of course, but their implementation raised several crucial organizational issues, and these organizational issues are not correctly addressed at the moment for European companies. The second key point is about factories of the future is a dynamic process and an endless process because of the quick evolution of technology and also the customer expectation evolution. So it's very important to adopt this vision. Industry transition is a dynamic process, not state one point. Third, I think there is not one best way, as Taylor said, one century ago. There's a lot of ways to implement new digital technology due to a diversity of companies and the systemic aspect of the transformation. So we have 5 critical success factors, and these 5 critical success factors are in a systemic way. It's not separate and divided. And so my conclusion about this industry survey and goes beyond is to develop new research to address this organizational issue and to continue to help industrial companies to implement correctly and safety digital technology. So thank you for your attention.
Thank you, Valerie.